Hi, I'm Joe Siefkas. I'm in sales with Brooks Brothers Trailers. Brooks Brothers has been in business since 1976, 40 years. We still provide parts and materials for trailers that are over 20 years old. So we're well known in the industry. Most of our products are sold by word of mouth. We have this trailer available today in Louisville, Kentucky at the Utility Expo, and purchased by our dealer, rental dealer PTR, Premier Truck Rental. So the trailers are available from them. They do have inventory, they have orders for inventory, and they're a good partner for us in the industry. Any questions can be directed to us in our headquarters in Troy, Missouri. The trailer that I have here is a model STRT. That's it's a single turret reel trailer. It's outfitted with a self-contained gasoline power unit, a hydraulic take-up and payout motor. Now this is a direct drive motor on the reel bar. You will see other trailers, other manufacturers who have what's called a rim drive system, where they drive with a drive wheel on the rim of the reel, and that's not one of our designs. We insist that we have a direct drive motor on the reel bar. You can see other things about the trailer if you make any kinds of comparisons. Our trailers are heavy built. They're literally heavy, they're durable, and that's why one of the main reasons for our success is the durability of the product, the design, and the fabrication of the frame and the other components of the trailer. This is a single reel trailer. It's got a turret base that rotates manually up to 360 degrees. All of the hydraulics come through a rotary union, so they don't have to be disconnected, and feed right up into the hydraulic take-up and payout motor. One of the things about Brooks Brothers is that we offer a lot of flexibility when it comes to customizations and accessories and options. So we really leave it up to our customer to come up with use their imagination to decide what it is that they need and pass that on to us so it can be included in the specification and built into the product. This trailer has a galvanized finish. Our galvanizer is in St. Louis, and we also offer paint that we do in-house, but the galvanized finish has been very popular. Our trailers are so durable that the customers like to have a galvanized finish to prevent and really eliminate corrosion on the steel parts. So after the trailer is fabricated, it's hot dip galvanized 3 times in a zinc bath, and then it's assembled after the galvanizing process. This trailer also comes with a 16-inch tensioning brake. The application for this trailer, the way it's set up with the brake, is for deployment of utility conductor. And we've got a reel of a utility conductor on the trailer right now. The brake is to tension the conductor when you pull the conductor off through blocks on an overhead application. The brake is used to properly sag and tension the conductor during that construction. Our products are construction utility grade products, and we have a broad product line. You can visit us online at brooksbrotherstrailers.com. This trailer is outfitted with optional rear stabilizing jacks, and this is the way it comes from the factory. So when you receive a trailer from us, it's ready to roll. It's ready for registration, licensing, and to put into the field and put into use.